Is it still? Is it gone? Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna do this one for like the Rat Pack and shit. Is it recording? Alright, for the real hip hop motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shout out to Bobby, my engineer. It's a nice night in LA. We recording this mixtape and shit, working on the album at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Visionary, boy. Yeah, we gon' do it for 9-6. Yeah, we gon' do it for hip-hop. Yeah, second renaissance. Yeah, who would've thought that painting pictures about being broke would get me riches like Dylan Coke? Like Big Brother used to do so we could stay afloat. I heard them guns outside my window, them gangsters would choke. Thought about the life I wanted, picked up the pen and then wrote. While there was fire and you can hear sirens for people dialing. I know one crying in the phone. I was in the zone trying to make a living. Headed to work in the morning, everything felt like I was mourning as my dream was deceased. Until I quit my job and my work ethic increased. Elevated in levels I ain't never seen. Stacking this cream, living the American dream now. I'm going crazy, I ain't slept in days. Dreaming of Michael Jordan money like I slept in J's. Always shouting out my team cause I get all the praise. But they the ones that motivate me on the present days. See, I'm from Maryland with cast raw gas like animation. For the smallest altercation that can lead determination. With a rapper on every corner like the rest of the nation. Passing bars back and forth like legal examinations. As a youngin' I was running wild. Me and my homies skipping school, puffing on that lab. Doing shit just to do it cause we wasn't allowed. I thought I understood the world but I was still a child. Yeah, now while my mama was at home drinking, thinking about the bills, I was dreaming about the meals, running around looking for thrills. I guess this is how it feels when your memory spills onto the page and paints a picture of another age back in West Deer Park. Chillin' with shorties after dark, cause when that sun is down, the police always run us down till we get older and hustle. Now they tryna gun us down. We just tryna make a living off of what we been given. What's up? Yeah, they call me Logic, yeah, that's L-O-G-I-C. I ain't wrapped up in them bitches, I just write like shit I see. Cause these lyrics set me free, fuck the world, let me be. And when I feel like I can't write, that's when I hit the MPC. My talent limitless, but time is limited, so listen up. If you can't see the shit I see, you better get your vision up.